use your melody to guide you. At least you can have your top note established before you start altering chords. You can, you know, you don't have to sacrifice the melody. It goes like this: because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know who holds my future, and life is worth living because he lives. So you can do, so just a regular one chord. I can face. So there we go. That's a C dominant 9. Tomorrow, take me to that 4. So the first time we did, because he lives, I can face tomorrow. So now we added, because he lives, I can face. You can do that tomorrow. So we added a passing chord. Now right here, I would, if you drop here or to D, you could do because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know, who holds, that's the C dominant 9 again, my future, to 4, then a sharp 4 diminished 7. And life is worth. So that 1/5. Now when you go into your 6, I'm gonna do a 4/6. But you could really alter that chord a lot too. But right now we just play it like that. So and life is worth living just because. So right there it's a G dominant 13 with a flat 9. He lives. C major 7. I'm thinking of a B flat over D and then a C over E. So that again, because I know. C over G, B flat 13, A augmented 7 with a sharp 9, E flat 13, D minor 9, G dominant 13 with a flat 9, and back to your 1.